Hi, my name is Kimberly and I'm from Aurora Middle School. Okay, so this is a positive constant and this is a negative constant. This is the variable x, and then this is the opposite of the variable x. First, this is our scale, which is representing this problem right here. So we have the opposite of x, which is, in this case, negative. So we've got 3 of those plus 2. We've got a positive 2 here, and then equals, the middle of the scale is basically the equal sign. And then we've got negative 10x plus x. So now I'm going to go to the whiteboard and start figuring it out. So first you need to get rid of this negative 10. So by doing that, we need to make a pair of 0, which is adding another positive 10. So you add positive 10 to this, and since this is a constant, we add another constant to this. So now that we have that figured out, now that we have our 0 done, this negative 10 plus a 10 equals 0, so we don't need to write that down. So we have this done. Now we're going to do it over here on our scale. So we added 10, so if I can find the 10 on this somewhere. Okay, so we added positive 10 to here, then we added positive 10 to here. So since this is a 0, we can take that out. And then we are left with the opposite of 3, which is right now negative 3x plus 12 equals x. Okay, so now next what we need to do is get rid of this negative 3x, right? Okay, and so we gotta add, to make another 0, we gotta add the positive. So it's 3 and then 3. Okay, so now that we're done with the board, we're gonna go back to here. So since we added 3 to each, so we're gonna add let's see, 3 blues to these. So that makes a pair of 0. And then we added 4, since we added blues, we still gotta add blues. So now we gotta add 4 blues here. Or 3 blues here, so, which makes 4. Okay, so since this is 12, and then since there are 4 here, these would have to be 3, because 3, 6, 9, 12. These 4 fit into 12. And x equals 3. Okay, so for our next problem, we have 5 plus x plus negative 3x equals 3x plus negative 2x plus 1. And then here we have it all set up right here. So this equals the 5, this is the x, this is the negative 3x, and then we have equals, and then we have the negative 3x, negative 2x, and then 1. Okay, so first we need to take away the pairs as 0. So we can take one pair of 0 away from here, and we can take one pair of 0 away from here. And then we can take another pair of 0 away. Okay, and to make this a pair of 0, we have to add a positive 1, and we gotta add a positive 1 to this side, which would equal a 6. So now we need to get rid of the opposite of x, and how we do that is to add 2 blues to each side. And since this is a legal move, we can take these pairs of 0s away, and we're left with 6 equals 3x, which that would be 2, 4, 6. So x equals 2. Thanks for watching.